an innovative screw element, a highly efficient motor, advanced algorithms. If superior performance is what you're after, look no further than Atlas Copco's GHS 402 to 1002 VSD Plus. Okay, take note. The GHS VSD Plus is a versatile solution that fits many applications. But let's say this is you. You are an engineer working on a greenhouse project and you need a pump for its vacuum cooling installation. Here's the solution you're looking for, because the GHS VSD Plus is engineered for unmatched performance. For starters, there is our latest oil-injected screw element. Its compression optimization valves ensure high pumping speed across all rough vacuum levels, offering unmatched pump-down performance. If you've got big plans, you want a vacuum solution that takes performance to new heights. This pump's IE5 permanent magnet motor can power all your needs. It is highly efficient and oil-cooled. In combination with the new element, this can lead up to 16% lower power consumption. And its pressure set point control means this vacuum pump only provides the performance your process needs. Not more, not less. No energy is wasted. In the end, performance comes down to the numbers, and this unit is a true number cruncher. This state-of-the-art controller is what makes the pump smart. With its advanced monitoring algorithms, it can predict when maintenance is needed, ensuring the pump is always in optimal condition. Whatever produce or business you want to grow, the superior performance of the GHS 402 to 1002 VSD Plus will help your business thrive.